we check your profession from the 10th house. And when Ketu is placed in the 10th house, it gives detachment towards the work, or it gives blockages and breaks in the your work, because that's what Ketu is for. And the main reason behind that is, like, wherever Ketu is placed, you have lived that life fullest in the past life. So that's the reason now in this life you don't want to give that much attention to that house. So how to make your career stable when you have Ketu in 10th house? First thing, you will have to get connected with the Ketu related profession. So Ketu related professions are astrology, research work, law, medicine, root medicine like the herbal medicine, and anything which is not shown from outside. Like, for example, the manufacturing of brick, we don't see brick, we see the plaster on that, the colors on that. Then second thing, the wire business, like, because we don't see the metal wire because there is a coating on that. So also computer coding, because you will see the whole data, the website, but you will not see the work behind. So how to identify the Ketu related profession? So just imagine any profession which is coming from long times, like it was needed even 5,000 years ago also. Like, for example, there were doctors, medicine profession was there, then astrology profession was there, research was there. So anything which we don't in the farming is there. So some profession, those are the roots of our living. So you can join any of those profession and your profession will go good. You can also get connect, even if you're a software engineer, then you can select your client in a healthcare hospital business. You may be in the coding, because coding also a Ketu related profession. Most important thing, when Ketu in 10th house and you want to do a successful at your workplace, then you will have to work selflessly. Like, for example, do not expect any promotion or anything. The time you don't expect, things will happen according to you, because that's how Ketu works. You'll have to work selflessly without getting too much paid, or maybe you'll have to work overtime, because Ketu is all about giving more and expecting less. You can also become meditation guru, spiritual guru. You can work for the animals, pet, dogs. If you want to do any business, then you can do restaurant business, but in restaurant business, try to keep the authentic dish instead of modern dish, because those dish, that's what came from long time. If you are into a travel business, then make trips to the holy places or the more spiritual places. You can show those type. If you're making videos, make videos on spirituality, or where we show people that how to do detachment, how to do meditation. Ketu is cutting also, so you can be very successful as a hairdresser, because we cut hair in hair, that profession. Then you can be very good fashion designer, because we cut the fabrics. So those two profession also satisfies that Ketu energy. So this is the main reason why some people are very successful even if Ketu is in the 10th house, and why some people keep always facing those breakage and the blocks in their workplace. Second thing, you have to check where is the dispositor of the 10th house. For example, if your Ketu is in Taurus, then Venus is the lord of Taurus sign. Then check where is the Venus placed in your horoscope. For example, if Venus is placed in the 8th house, then you can combine like Ketu properties along with the 8th house related professions. If dispositor is placed in the 6th house, then maybe service related sector will be beneficial for you. So that's how we can get the total idea and how to make this placement more successful. So if you want to be a fitness trainer, select yoga as your path instead of doing Zumba or some modern workouts. One thing about Ketu is we don't like to take advice about that house where the Ketu is placed. So for example, when we have Ketu in 10th house, we don't like to take advices from anyone regarding our work or profession, because you think internally that you are already expert in that. So I used to always get the messages regarding Ketu in 10th house, and they're facing a lot of problems in their profession. So I tried to make this small video. Hope that it will be helpful to you. Thank you so much.